Hi. So our last session was about project creation. Now, when we create a project, first thing we need to take care is project ID. Normally, when client awards us the project, it contains an ID. Throughout the project, in project meetings, project reports, letters, mails, everything, we will use the project ID as a reference to our project. So, same project ID we should use here also while creating our project in Primavera. So, from where we will get that project ID? We will get that from our client or from our contract document or from our boss. Okay. So use that while creating a new project in Primavera. Discuss with your boss, with your client, then ask them what is the project ID they need to use here. Use that. If they don't want any project ID, just use your own project ID. Okay, so that's the project ID. Then project name. Project name also same. You will get a project name in the official documents. Use that name only. Don't use your own names. Okay, discuss with your superiors first. First thing we need to give importance while creating project is the project ID and project name. Then comes the calendar. Calendar, as I said in the previous session, is very important. If you mess up the calendar, means you messed up with the project. Create a calendar and assign same calendar to here in project as default. Okay, there are actually many default settings there. Some of them are very important. One of them is calendar. Remaining we will study in our upcoming sessions. Then the project start date and all those also we will get from the contract documents while creating a project. These are the main things we need to take care while creating a new project in Primavera. Project ID, project name, calendar. Mainly these things. See you in next session.